Hallo und willkommen zurück auf meinem YouTube-Kanal. Heute werden wir noch ein paar Zahlen lernen. Ich hoffe, ihr seid alle gesund und sicher. Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today we are going to learn some more numbers. And I hope you all are healthy and safe. So let's close gates. Okay, so we will start now. And we will start from die Zahlen von 21 bis 30. And I've written here, as you can see, from 21 to 30. And 21 is 21. 22 is 22. 23 is 23. And so 24 is 24. 25 is 25. 26 is 26. 27 is 27. 28 is 28. And 29 is 29. And so 30 is 30. And now you see it's the counting from 21 to 30. I know you see the similarities between 1 to 10 is that the starting word of this 21 is ein, zwei, drei, vier, and fünf, like the counting of from 1 to 10, and you are right. It is written like that. You have to just remember the 21 and the 20 in the last is which you call 20. 20 is 20. And you just have to add eins in the front. Okay, now moving on, we will see the numbers from 30 to 50. Von 30 bis 50. Now I will show you the 10 from 30 to 40. As you can see, it's 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. So now again you see the numbers is 1, 2, 3 and in the end it's just 30. 30 is 30. The number 30 is 30, as I've told you in the previous page, and so on. The number 41, and you can see now again it's 41. 40 is 40 and it's 41. Now I will show you better with 43, 43, 44 is 44 and so on. I will show you the all numbers now, and 49 and now 50. 50 is 50. There is not a very big difference between them. The ending is always like this. It's 40 like the 10th value, and 30 you just have to add the ein, zwei and drei, and you can learn it like that in a very easy way. And now, as you can see, now we have done till 50 numbers. I will show you the other ones, but now you know the basics, and the basics is that the numbers are like that. Ein, starting with the ein, the ones from the 1 to 10 counting, and now these are 10th values of every 10 numbers, like from 51 to 60. So I've written it 6. Okay, and number 70 is 70. 80 is 80. 90 is 90, and 100 is 100 or 100. Okay, I have not written all the numbers from 60 to 100 because now you know how you can write them, because 51 would be, now you know, 51, and 52 will be 52, and so on. For 70, if you want the example of 70, the 71 will be 71, 71, and for 80, and so on. And now you can write the counting on your own from 60 to 100 by just following the previous ones, like we done from 20 to 30 or 20 to 50. I don't have to write all till 100, and that's a very easy way to learn that the value after the number or the value we have to write, like if we are in 20s, we have to write 21. The 1 will always be before the Swansish number, which is 20, and that way you can write it easily. And that's it for today's video. I hope you like it, and if you like it, please like and subscribe my channel. It will be really helpful for me. Thank you for watching.